Dealing with your diabetes diagnosis, tips and advice. Proper education is a must when it comes to any disease. Once a person is knowledgeable about their disease, they should try to enact changes into their life that will benefit them, or at least suppress the symptoms of the disease. Diabetes is a disease that many millions of individuals live with every day, and you can as well. Educating yourself with the information in this video will start the ball rolling. Beans for breakfast, beans for tea, beans for you and beans for me. Beans are packed full of protein and fiber, which are both very important in the meals of a diabetic. Try to include as many beans and lentils in the foods you eat as possible. Just cook them up and throw them into everything, from chili to salads. Thin teeny buns are available at many grocery stores nationwide and are a tasty alternative to carbohydrate-heavy normal hamburger buns. These thinner breads are easier to eat as they're smaller than their traditional counterparts, and they will provide far less carbohydrates to a diabetic. Eating fresh, non-processed foods is an easy way for a diabetic to keep his or her weight in check and blood sugar stable. By shopping only the outside aisles of the grocery store, you will find you're not exposed to the processed sugary or carbohydrate-laden treats that can lead to temptation. If you're diabetic, you must quit smoking. End of story, period, that's that. You cannot have any bad habits while your body is already having these types of problems, or else any treatment you're receiving will be sabotaged. It's time to make a choice. Do you want to live a long, healthy life, or smoke? It's likely that the information you just read has been seen before. It might not apply, but in the event that it does, prudence recommends that advice should be utilized. Whether it concerns safety or understanding, the information in this video will help anyone suffering from diabetes discern the facts from fiction when it comes to insulin. Discover how 93% reverse type 2 diabetes with this odd diet hack. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Learn how a dying grandpa was saved from diabetes by his grandson. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com. Breaking news. Uncover how a new root cause of diabetes that was discovered by scientists. Visit secretdiabeteshack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.